Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Last night, that is the night of 7th and 8th May, India has undertaken yet another blatant military act of aggression against Pakistan by sending Harop drones at multiple locations. Pakistan Armed Forces, being in a high state of alert and vigilance, have so far neutralized 12 Harop drones at various locations. These locations are Lahore, Gujranwala, Chakwal, Rawalpindi, Attak, Bahawalpur, Miano, Chor, and near Karachi. You can see on the screen some of the parts of the debris of these neutralized drones. As we speak, the debris and the neutralized drones and the drones that have been forced to be on the ground, that is being collected from multiple locations in Pakistan. Other than these 12, one drone, however, managed to engage a military target near Lahore partially. 4 men of Pakistan Army have been injured in this attack near Lahore, and partial damage to an equipment has occurred. Due to this activity, another drone, as a result of that, another result of this activity at Miano, there is one civilian has embraced Shahadat and one is injured in Miano, Sindh. As we speak, the process of India sending across these Harop drones, this naked aggression continues, and the armed forces are on high degree of alert and neutralizing them as we speak. This is a serious provocation, having miserably failed on the night of 6th and 7th May, when they attacked places of worship, civilian infrastructure, and killed innocent civilians, including children, women, and elderly. And not only that, having faced the destruction of 5 of their aircraft, multiple drones, and suffering heavy casualties along line of control and damage, it appears that India has apparently lost the plot, and rather than going on a path of rationality, is further escalating in a highly charged environment to satisfy the hubristic mindset of the Indian government. The international community can visibly see the path that India is treading in this through this extremely provocative military aggression in a region which is right now highly fragile and putting the security of the region and beyond at risk. Pakistan Armed Forces remain fully vigilant to any type of threat, and as and when the further updates come, I will keep you updating. Thank you very much.